Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So good morning. This is gonna be a different kind of video. Once again, we are moving, and this is our current location, Leavenworth, Kansas, Fort Leavenworth, Kansas. And then this is the home we've been in for the past 2 years. And here we go. This is the day of the Packers. The Packers are coming today. So we have everything staged, prepped for them to pack and make it as easy as possible. I'm just gonna walk you through the house. It's a beautiful day, actually. It's probably in the 70s right now. And the dogs are in the kennel, so they're well taken care of. My porch, my beautiful favorite porch. It is the one and only thing I'm going to be missing the most, besides the size of my craft room. Yeah. So, totally taken apart. And let's go into the house. Alright, so we have our stuff that we're going to take with us, that we're putting in our vehicles. It's all staged in the pool room. And all of this, they're going to take care of for us. There's what the living room looks like. Hi, Kellen. Kellen's been a great help. He got up early so quickly. So just so you could see, all of this is going with us. Pool table stays, chairs stay, pictures stay. All of this goes with us. Sorry, it's so dark, I forgot to turn the lights on. This is my husband's bar, man cave. He loved this. This was his favorite in the whole, party setup. And yeah, so it was great while it lasted because, great space. So I'm gonna take you upstairs and show you what the rooms look like now. Husband, let's see. Start with my husband's office. So his stuff is all boxed up. These never went up. Those are ready. Kellen's room. His stuff are boxed up. His bed's ready. I think my husband's going to take that apart. And this is ready. Just all waiting to go. And then this is our room. Main suite. The bed, it's ready. The beds are missing their covers because we're taking it with us for the other house, because we won't be getting our stuff for maybe a week after we get there. All right, and then here is the infamous bathroom that wasn't working when we moved in, and they renovated and replaced this whole shower piece. So grateful. It came in super handy with guests and my children when they come to visit. So everything goes. It's a good sized bathroom. And then my son's room, Kevin. A lot of the stuff has been, purged, but majority of his belongings are just here still. they're gonna pack that for us. And this, this was supposed to go down, is supposed to be my linen closet. So all of that should have been my linen closet. And we washed his bedding, so that would be packed up. So the last room up here is the craft room. So let's see, let's pull you back out. Right there's the stairwell. And it was just the perfect location for my craft room. Very isolated, but too isolated because I couldn't get internet. So they'll be here. The packers will be here soon, and I'll probably put them in this room first to get it all started. All right, so let's go back downstairs into the dining room and the kitchen. I'm not going to show you the basement because there's nothing in the basement that's any different. So the living room's ready. And the dining room, this is what's going with us. This dining table and chairs stay. And then this, all of this goes with us. And then this is the hallway, the stairwells down to the basement. And here's the kitchen. Looks like a mess, but we're gonna take this tote with us. Everything else, they're gonna pack. Whatever they cannot pack, we're going to just eliminate, so yeah. And then here, I purged this out too. I still gotta do this. And then, yeah. So we are ready. This table goes with us. I might as well walk you through the basement just for old time's sake. I wasn't going to, but here we go. Okay, so here, oops. One of our storage rooms, so we definitely need this microwave. This is our microwave. And, oh, our dog kennel. All of our storage for our holiday seasonal decor. We got all our space heaters together. Oh man, this house definitely needed all these space heaters. But yeah, so there's all that. And so many things out of place. Oh my goodness. But yeah, these are all going with us. Whew. So those are all gonna go. This is going with us. This, I have to empty, taking all the meat, but everything else will be, you know, eliminated. That's our dining table. That's what we would have been using if they didn't have a dining table here. Here's our gym. All of this will be going with us. Oh, bittersweet, bittersweet to have a designated gym. Oh, here's our toolbox. This will definitely be packed. I'll take care of that. And here's our storage. All of this goes with us. These were recent gifts for my husband when they farewelled him. And so is this. Oh my gosh. Beautiful stuff. I mean, all of that is gonna go. They have to pack that all carefully. So yeah, oh my goodness. That is it, guys. The end of the pain tour. That is definitely going with us, which we failed to have everyone sign. I really, really wanted them to sign that, but it's okay. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join our crafty family, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell, and I will see you all on the next crafty video. Bye.